These are the list of materials needed in making a wooden frame balloon mosaic. Using a wooden frame for a balloon mosaic provides a sturdy base. It makes it easier to arrange and attach the balloons securely. Use a hand pump or electric inflator for efficiency, and maintain consistent sizes for a uniform look. Start placing them within the wooden frame, arranging them according to your mosaic design. Ensure all balloons are properly inflated. Make sure they reach the desired size. Keep going until the frame is filled with balloons. Try also inflating balloons to various sizes to create depth and dimension. Ensure the frame is lightweight yet durable to support the overall structure. To fill small gaps in your balloon mosaic, use smaller balloons, or adjust the inflation size to fit the available space. Glue dots are excellent for securing balloons in a mosaic. They provide a clean and easy way to attach balloons without leaving residue. After filling the frame with balloons, it's time to attach them securely into the frame. Apply glue dots at the back of each balloon before attaching it to the wooden frame. Make sure that the tied neck of the balloon is not visible. To hide tied knots, position them on the backside of the balloons before gluing them to the wooden frame. This way, the knots will be concealed, and the front of your balloon mosaic will have a seamless appearance. Make sure to press each balloon firmly in place to secure it. Repeat until all balloons are glued. Enhance the security of your balloon mosaic by adding additional glue dots between balloons and the wooden frame. This will help reinforce their connection and create a more stable and durable structure. Filling in smaller balloons help create a seamless and cohesive appearance in your mosaic design. A hand pump can achieve precision in inflating balloons to the desired dimensions. Incorporating flowers into a balloon mosaic can add a unique touch. Attach synthetic flowers with adhesive to enhance the visual appeal. Adding these elements create a more diverse and textured mosaic. Experiment with placement to achieve a cohesive look. Secure any loose balloons and confirm that the arrangement aligns with your desired design. Achieve a polished final look for your balloon mosaic by stepping back to assess overall balance, adjusting any uneven areas, and ensuring colors are distributed harmoniously. Your balloon mosaic is ready for the photo shoot. Ensure good lighting to highlight the colors, angles that capture the entire design, and experiment with different perspectives to showcase the details. It's time to capture the vibrancy of your creation.